guys, Dylan's Tech Unboxing's here, and today we are unboxing the virtual reality headset by Siskin VR. So basically, this headset, I think it's only about, I think it's less than £20, so it's not.
Yeah.
It's not an expensive headset, is it?
Nope.
Which is actually good because the most like about £200 just for a headset.
Yeah,
Virtual reality, where you can get that one.
Oh.
So today I've got my sister. Last video I didn't when I was doing the AirPods, but you know. Yeah. So anyway, to begin with, we will open this. Go on, you take it out. And nothing else, just that, and put that to the side. Then you get the top up, and when you take it out, you get the headset. And at the bottom, you get the user manual, which just explains how you get it on,
And
basically.
this is the headset.
Mm-hmm.
I have to say that.
Yeah, and it comes with the microfiber cloth, which can be used to clean the lenses, and also it's good for your phone as well.
And that's
It's good.
lenses.
Keep that to a side. Alright, so now we're gonna. So basically, if you see that, it comes with a strap which you put over your head like that, and yeah, I might look stupid.
On.
Yeah, and then which you are soon. Spoiler alert. Right, and then when you open this, it's like it's a magnetic thing, so it locks magnetically, which is good, doesn't fall out, obviously. You put your phone in there, and then that's the headset to make it virtual reality. Yeah, basically. And nothing really different. So at the top, it's got a thing that you can, adjust it to your eyes, you know how big your eyes are. And yeah, it's like a nice cushion, gives you a nice relaxation when you put it on.
Yeah.
Doesn't hurt at all.
Sorry.
I'm joking. So now we are gonna go on her phone and we're gonna put it in the headset, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Hey guys, you can see Saffron's phone, but we're gonna put it in the headset and we're gonna see what it looks like on the phone.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna load up, of course, the HD because we're all about that HD life or 4K, whatever.
And I've got no socks.
Put the sound on.
Ooh, I'm barefoot.
Right, we'll put it in and we've got to align it with the line you get on here when it comes up.
Wait, please wait. Boom, 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 boom. Bom, 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 bom.
It's loaded. Right, let's put it in and on.
And over.
You can do it.
We're setting off all mine. Can you guys hear this? Sounds so good. Let's see if there's anybody else. Nobody else on the ride?
Only person. Jesus.
Woo! I just went upside down. That's so cool. Woo! Ah! Woo! You would be so scared if you were on this ride. Ah! You idiot!
It's only water. I was a good, eh? How good is it?
Oh, there's someone else on this ride as well.
Who?
Some people. Oh, they're on a different roller coaster though.
Oh, right. So it's got two courses going at once then.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. What's happening now then? What's happening? What's it doing?
Yeah.
Oh, right. I was wondering what the hell you're doing.
It's cool.
Oh, yeah, it is. I should go on the different one. See how good that is.
Yeah.
So, guys, if you want to buy this anyway, it's a great gift. Get it from I'll leave the link in the description. Siskin, who's made it. Look, I'm not sponsored by these people. This is just basically what I would expect you to do or what I think you should do.
Right.
But it's good, so I'll get it.
Now put it on.
Cheap for a good headset, like virtual headset.
I'll put it on. Oh wait, I have to sit this way, guys.
Changing up direction this time.
Woo! We can see the beach and the sky and the clouds. Whoa. Oh. My eyeball.
How good is it, hey?
It's super! Woo! Yeah! It's good!
Cool. Are you going up the thing or something? Because it sounds like you're going up the tram thing, whatever it's called.
Woo! Hello. Wait, is anyone behind? Just me again. Only me.
Only you.
Woo! That's what I just said. Woo! Let's see the beach. I can see the sea. Whoa. I'm dizzy. Woo! That was so cool.
Oh, that was quick. Cool. So yeah, if you want to buy that, I'll leave the description. Sorry, the link in the description. Take that out and turn it off. Oh yeah, cause. So yeah, I'll come back when. Sorry. Now that was the Siskin virtual reality headset. So basically, yeah, like I said before, I'll leave it in the description if you want to buy it. I would. Well, I already have.
Whoa.
So yeah, like if you like the video, if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. I don't care. And leave a subscription. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and put the bell icon so you don't miss any new update I get. Comment in the description what other technology you would like me to unbox. Gotta be tech.
Or me.
It's gotta be tech. So yeah, sorry, and you. So yeah, that was it. We'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.
Ow.